It starts on 22/12. So you see उसके बाद confusion शुरू हो गई कि अगर पार्टी को नहीं मिला तो कैंडिडेट को क्या करना है और कैंडिडेट वो सिंबल ले सकता है कि नहीं. उसके बाद आपका ऑर्डर आ गया कि जी नहीं ले सकता. तो इस दौरान ये सारा जो confusion हो रहा है ये उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखा जाएगा ना कि इसको हम सेपरेट करके देखेंगे और उन पर बर्डन डाल देंगे फॉर द लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
आप पहले सीरियल नंबर 22 पे आ जाएं.
जी सर.
उसने थ्रू आउट अपने आप को पीटीआई का डिक्लेयर किया.
बिल्कुल.
उसने सर्टिफिकेट्स भी दिए.
बिल्कुल.
उसने विड्रॉल भी नहीं की.
जी.
आपने इसको अदर देन पीटीआई कैसे ट्रीट?
सर ये उसने रिटन विड्रॉल नहीं की.
ये
उसने ओरली आके रिक्वेस्ट किया. ये उसका आंसर.
सिकंदर, मेरा सवाल इससे जुड़ा हुआ है. मेरा सवाल जो आपसे किया 12 तारीख वाज द लास्ट डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल. इसके अलावा एक शख्स एक पार्टी देखिए एक सिस्टम होता है.
विड्रॉल एज कैंडिडेट.
सुन ले सर, एक सिस्टम होता है. एक पार्टी को आप कहते हैं कि ठीक है मैं आपकी तरफ से खड़ा हो रहा हूँ. पार्टी भी कोई और कैंडिडेट खड़ा नहीं करती. ये तो कल आप बिट्रे कर रहे हैं पार्टी को कि आप एन मौके पे जी मैं विड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ उससे. पार्टी के पास चांस भी नहीं है कि वो दूसरा कैंडिडेट सबमिट कर ले. सो एज फार आई एम कंसर्न, मेरे हिसाब से द कैंडिडेट हैज नो पावर टू विड्रॉ आफ्टर द डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल इज कंप्लीट. ही हैज नो पावर.
फिर सर हम उनको सारों को डिसफ्रैंचाइज कर देते
कोई
हैं.
और आपका जवाब हमने सुन लिया. आपका जवाब है जो मुझे क्लिक नहीं कर रहा.
Yes, ठीक है. I accept that.
ठीक है.
I accept
मगर
that.
आपका ही जवाब है.
मैंने जवाब.
बस फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Thank you sir. I am most grateful
मेरे
for
सवाल का
allowing me.
जवाब दे दें प्लीज.
जी.
What is the effect of your order of 22/12/23 on all of this? Because the withdrawal also takes place, the last date of filing is also 24 after your order. So some confusion was created which you didn't clarify at that point on your order of 22/12/23 when you said that because of the internal elections of the party they cannot now be allotted the symbol. So it does create some confusion that now that the party can't be given the symbol, how are these candidates to treat themselves? And hence consequent to that, as it goes on, वो confusion चलती जाती है. So at what stage did you clarify this confusion, or rather I would say why is it that you accepted the stance of all these people who maintained that they belong to a particular party throughout and said that they are independent? Because as I asked the other day कि तेरा कौन से कहना party affiliation certificate ले आओ, was how could they bring it when the party could not contest the election? So there's no certificate that they understood to bring, and you didn't clarify it in any of your orders. You maintained that now we will treat you as independent. So having been part of the confusion, what is it that you're expecting from the candidates who are probably just as confused as you are?
My Lord, Ladyship, my response to that is that number
It starts on 22/12. So you see उसके बाद confusion शुरू हो गई कि अगर पार्टी को नहीं मिला तो कैंडिडेट को क्या करना है और कैंडिडेट वो सिंबल ले सकता है कि नहीं. उसके बाद आपका ऑर्डर आ गया कि जी नहीं ले सकता. तो इस दौरान ये सारा जो कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है ये उसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखा जाएगा ना कि इसको हम सेपरेट करके देखेंगे और उन पर बर्डन डाल देंगे फॉर द लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग और आपसे पूछेंगे कि आपने क्या किया.
As ECP, I can't provide legal advice.
You don't have to provide legal advice.
A particular political party. I have to remain
You declared them
objective.
independent.
And
एक सेकंड.
ECP allowed them to contest elections. There was the other option was that based on these contradictions, like my Lord is also observing, there could have been a harsher order perhaps. They were all allowed to contest.
Why would you go to the harsher order and not go back to the original form?
This is
Senate Council.
And the original form ones बहुत कम है. मैं आपको maths करके
वो अलग बात है. That's on a factual premise.
एक दफा प्रिंसिपल तय हो गया.
सिकंदर साहब,
your conundrum or your problem lay in section 240, because the PTI is not just one. You're not talking of a one-off candidate and going to the president for that. You're talking of a major level national party. Or does even not the election commission understand that about political parties? Obviously you do.
Yes, sir.
So here is a major level national level political party. On the opening day of filing of nomination papers, you are saying you will not get this symbol. At the same time, you accept that the consequence, the effect of the final order of the Supreme Court on the 13th of January, which upheld your order, was not to eliminate PTI from the electoral fray. And that is what your position should be. Here is a national level political party. We, the Election Commission, do not absolutely intend to eliminate them from the electoral fray. But we made this order. We can't give them the election symbol. Here is a difficulty in applying the provisions of the Act, because 67(2) says one thing, 67(3) goes on a totally different premise. Conveniently you say, there's just binary. You could have said, we at once go to the President, we make this order under Section 240, we clarify that it is our order, we stand behind our order, that they can't get the election symbol, but absolutely we don't want to eliminate PTI from the electoral fray. Therefore, since this situation is not envisaged and it's going to create that difficulty, you should foresee that. You have to be proactive. The election program, your election program is kicking in. You should have said, we will give them quote unquote independent or non-party. I won't say independent because that creates the confusion. Non-party symbols, but we clarify that any candidate who files a nomination form of saying he belongs to PTI, he is a PTI candidate. You would have done that. Why did you do it?